In front of our Idea Lab. The location of this Idea Lab is in our campus, and the floor area of this Idea Lab is around 3000 square feet. So the development of the Idea Lab is in progress since the partitions will be completed in a very short span of time. Sir?
Maybe in the first week of March we will be able to install all the equipment and the laboratory will be operational.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Sridhar Banerjee, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and with me is there Dr. Shupriya Roy, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So we both went to AK Garg College of Engineering, Ghaziabad, on 1st to 7th December 2021 for taking training on advanced FDP. And gurus, they were teaching us, they were dedicated, and we learned a lot. And we came back here and we tried our best to disseminate the knowledge to our fellow faculty members as well as students through different kind of internal workshops.
Yes, based on the knowledge which we have learned there, just like CO2 laser cutting machine, CNC wood router machine, 3D printing, 3D scanning and embedded system. So what we have gathered knowledge, we have tried to disseminate those knowledge to our students and fellow faculty members.
Good morning, I am Dr. Ashim Haldar from the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Haldia Institute of Technology.
Myself, Divyendra Chaudhary from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Haldia Institute of Technology.
We are selected as the gurus for the advanced training in AICT Idea Lab, and due to the COVID-19 our program has been postponed and we are expecting our program will start soon. From this Idea Lab we are going to get the training so that we can share our knowledge to our fellow faculty members and the students so that they can implement their ideas in this AICT Idea Lab. And I am very excited to do this advanced training in electronic system design. Thanks.
I am Dr. Uday Maji, Associate Professor of Applied Electronics Instrumentation Department. Idea Lab basically stands for Idea Development, Evaluation and Application, where students can develop, implement their idea into prototype. Here different types of instrument, tools, components available under the same umbrella. So all the different types of activity they can do over here, and they can really perform or implement some successful projects. And not only within the education campus, but also students can, our faculty member also can perform different project work in collaboration with different industry, and this project also can help to our community peoples as well. Thank you.
Myself Shantanu Maiti, Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Idea Lab, it's a very good initiative that is initiated by AICT. It will give a platform for the students for innovation, for hands-on learning and doing itself, and where they can literally design and get into a prototype modeling. Thank you.
This is an Idea Lab, is a very good initiative by the AICT particular lab, which will help for the skill development, and also we can train our students over here as well as from the society. Those people are interested, they can come over here and get trained, and the product development can be a good idea about this Idea Lab.
This is Dr. Abhishek Sawant, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. This is Saurabh Potonak, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and this is Mr. Saurabh Sarkar, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Haldia Institute of Technology. Here we have come to know that using these labs, different modern machines, we can do some different interdisciplinary project works where we can involve our UG and PG students for doing some new product development or some different interdisciplinary works, project works.
We came to know the information about this lab concept and from our technical gurus, and we are very excited to apply those knowledge to our undergraduate students project, and not only to our mechanical department but also across all departments.
This will not only help the student, this will also help us for making projects with the collaboration of other industry, as well as we can also help the community service and making one step forward towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Hello, we are from Haldia Institute of Technology, Haldia. Welcome to our Idea Lab. Idea Lab empowers our creativity to transform technical education from academic platform to a commercial platform.
The lab provides us a platform to experiment with ideas for qualitative changes in our life and to create vibrant mentor network for enhancing capabilities of young minds.
Idea Labs support and catalyze multidisciplinary education and research in technical education. So as a whole, Idea Labs is a golden opportunity for us.
I am Dr. Gautam Kumar Bose, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering. I am the coordinator of this AICTE Idea Lab. So along with me, my colleague,
Dr. Ghosh. I'm Associate Professor in the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering and Co-Coordinator of AICTE Idea Lab.
Now we are very excited in achieving this prestigious AICTE Idea Lab project of our institution. Now keeping that in mind, we have already issued the purchase order to the various vendors. So we have floated the tenders in our website and subsequently in the newspapers, and based on that, quotations of the mandatory equipments that are to be procured for Idea Lab has been delivered to the institute, and we have received the same, and we have made the comparative statement, and finally we have issued the purchase order to various vendors, and mostly the time frame given for delivery of this equipment and successful installation within this month of February.
So apart from the procurement of the equipments, after the basic training which we have taken in at Ghaziabad between 23rd August to 27th August, we have got exposure on on smart manufacturing and electronic system design. Hands-on MTB we have attended, and shortly they will be attending that, and all are delighted. They have got enough exposure, and we have started percolating this awareness amongst the faculty members and students in phases. All this training or awareness programs are going on. So we expect that by March the laboratory will be fully operational and our students and faculty members will be able to work there.
So hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.